understand the background of it. So when we talk about intellectual arena, the most prestigious awards are these Nobel Prizes. This prize was initiated by a Swedish scientist, Alfred Nobel. He was not only a scientist, he was a entrepreneur and was pretty rich. But the legend says that he's the person who developed this thing, dynamite. So towards last phases of his life, he was worried कि मेरे को फ्यूचर में लोग कैसे याद करेंगे about with something which was used for destruction, with something that was used in military and all, or by something else. So he initiated this Nobel Prize. So he used all his fortune, his vast fortune, to fund annual prizes to those who during the preceding year, पिछले साल में, have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind. And through this, Nobel Prizes were started. So initially, the Nobel Prize start हुआ था, it was started in the field of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace. You will not see economics here, right? Initially, it was started for these purposes, and you would see that there was an interesting aspect. While all other Nobel Prizes, that is physics, chemistry, health, biology or physiology, and then literature, peace, were given from, literature was given from Sweden. For Nobel Peace Prize, he chose Norway. There's no well-written reason about it, but it is said that Sweden was involved in warfare more. So Sweden's history of militarism may have been the reason for the Peace Prize, Nobel Peace Prize, being given from Norway. So we'll come to that. But before that, let's quickly understand which are the bodies which are responsible for giving these prizes today. So, जब आप chemistry और physics के prize को देखने जा रहे हो, तो Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences is responsible for it. Now, initially he had not started with economics prize. Economics में ना Nobel Prize actually है नहीं. It is called Nobel Prize, but economics के case में the prize is this one. Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel. बाकी सारे prizes तो Alfred Nobel had started himself, but this prize was started way later in 1968 by the Sweden Central Bank, Sveriges Riksbank. Okay, so this इसीलिए इसमें number of people who have won economics Nobel prizes would be much lesser than number of people who have won physics Nobel Prize or chemistry Nobel Prize, because they started way back in 1968-69 में शुरू हुआ. Now, coming back to the institutions which are responsible, देखो ये सारी factual चीजें हैं जो prelims में useful हो सकती हैं. Mains में क्या relevant रहेगा, अभी हम science वाली चीजों पे आते हैं, वहां पे will go. So let's come back to the which are the institutions which are responsible for giving this prize. So 3 prizes: physics, chemistry, और ये economics वाला prize is decided by Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. Yes, ये भी Sweden में है. Then the Nobel Assembly, consisting of 15 professors at the Karolinska Institute, Stockholm, is awarding the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. It decides who is going to get the medicine wala prize or physiology wala prize. Then Swedish Academy grants Nobel Prize in Literature, but Norwegian Nobel Committee awards the Nobel Peace Prize. ये 6 prizes ऐसे मिलते हैं. तो this year what has happened? This year सबसे पहले फिजियोलॉजी वाला या मेडिसिन वाला प्राइज अनाउंस हुआ था. इट हैज बीन गिवन फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ mRNA वैक्सीन की बजाय इट वाज गिवन टू कैटलिन केरिको एंड ड्रू विस्मैन whose work enabled the development of mRNA vaccine. They contributed in the development of mRNA vaccine, as the work that they did build the platform on which mRNA vaccine was created. So this will be the first topic that we'll study. We'll study it in more details. You'll get more clarity on this. Physics में Nobel Prize has been given to these 3 scientists: N.A.L. Wheeler, Pierre Agostini, and Ferenc Krauss, for in the field of attophysics. Atto refers to 10 raised to minus 18. जैसे अपन पढ़ते हैं ना, milli is 10 raised to minus 3. In 1 milliliter, in 1 liter, you'll have 1000 milliliters. So 10 raised to minus 3. Micro is 10 raised to minus 6. Nano is 10 raised to minus 9. Pico is 10 raised to minus 12. Femto is 10 raised to minus 15. Atto is 10 raised to minus 18. So they got Nobel Prize in the field of attophysics, as they were able to develop mechanisms by which we will be able to observe things at that small scale, at attoscale. Things which change it in the time range of attoseconds. जैसे कुछ चीजें हैं जो 1 सेकंड में बदल रही हैं, जैसे कोई चीज 1 सेकंड में यहाँ से यहाँ मूव हो रही है, उसको आप नॉर्मल कैमरा से एक फोटो यहाँ ली, एक फोटो वहां ली, यू विल बी एबल टू ऑब्जर्व इट. बट थिंग्स विच आर चेंजिंग एट attosecond level, how to observe them. For example, if you go to an atom में जो अगर आप individual electrons पे जाते हो, those electrons change their energy state, those electrons change their position in the time range of attoseconds. उतने कम 10 raised to minus 18. अब to understand 10 raised to minus 18 seconds कितने होंगे, अभी तक from the beginning of universe जितने सेकेंड्स बीते हैं ना, अभी तक फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ यूनिवर्स जितने सेकेंड्स बीते हैं, 1 second has those many attoseconds. You will understand how small a time it is. 10 raised to minus 18 does not give you that picture, but how small a time we are talking about. So they got Nobel Prize for that, but this research of theirs is contributing in several other fields also. तो हम attosecond physics क्या होता है, उसके applications क्या है, from mains perspective we want to understand, other than understanding their contribution. Then we have in chemistry, Nobel Prize has been given to Moinji G. Bawendi, Louis E. Bruce, and Alexei 𝐂𝐭 for the discovery of quantum dots. इसे भी और डिटेल में अभी समझेंगे. Then Nobel Prize in literature has gone to Job Fosse. Nobel Prize in economic sciences has gone to Claudia Goldin. She's a professor at Harvard University, and she has focused her research on workplace gender gap. So she has done detailed study of what has happened to women participation in workforce in USA over the last 200 years. Generally, it is believed that, okay, women participation should have gone up as industrialization happened, as growth happened, as education improved, but she gave a different picture. She showed how at the time of industrialization, actually women participation in the workforce has gone down, and she has given various reasons for it. It's going up, but still what are some of the challenges? She talks about that. So in economics, Nobel Prize has been given for this section, and then Nobel Peace Prize for 2023 has been awarded to Iranian activist Nargis Mohammadi for her relentless fight against the oppression of women in Iran and her unwavering commitment to promoting human rights and freedom.